This is cabin 15009 up here in the Yacht Club. This is a forward-facing deluxe suite. As you come in, you see you have a nice expansive space. Living room, bedroom, TV. Well, of course, we'll show you a little more detail here. It is a king-size bed or two twins if you want to have them separated. There is some power up by the headboard. There's USB up under that little silver thing there. You can also control all the lights in the cabin with those little white buttons. Across from the bed, you've got this huge credenza with your espresso machine, some water. There's a mini bar there, some cabinetry, and really nice sized TV. From a power standpoint, there's 2 European, 2 US, and a USB, and there's a light here above this mirror. Across from this, again, your living room, you have a sofa that in a lot of cases can convert to a bed, 2 chairs, and the coffee table. Now, as I mentioned, this is forward facing, and so you have great views as the ship is moving. They've just cleaned out here. It's all wet, so I don't want to climb out there, but yeah, and it looks like it's very well protected, so even when it's moving, I think it would be okay to hang out there. There's a couple of chairs and a stool as well. Okay. Let's go look at the closet and the bathroom. The closet, you have a couple cabinets on this side, hanging, all hanging. And then over here on this side, you have some shelves and a safe. And of course, last but not least, the bathroom. You have a nice, large walk-in shower. That is for sure a party shower. Toilet is in a great place for someone my height at 6'4", and it's got a lot of width, so if you're a little on the fluffy side, that's pretty good too. Nice under-counter mount sink. Of course, all the shampoos and soaps are upgraded because you're in the yacht club. Makeup mirror. Yeah, beautiful. Again, this is a forward-facing deluxe suite. They just have them listed as deluxe suites, but it is forward-facing, so it looks a little bit different than the rest of the deluxe suites here in the yacht club. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.